everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today I have decorated a table for two. So come on with me, guys. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. It's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this Tuesday, we do have a guest, and it's Antoinette decorating. And the theme for today is either, it's MacKenzie Childs inspired, okay? But if you don't have anything MacKenzie Childs, we could use a checkered pattern or buffalo check. So I am absolutely loving what I set up here. If you haven't been over to decorating, Antoinette Decorating's channel, please head on over there. She has an amazing home. She's one of my greatest inspirations, but I want her to know how special she is to me. And so I'm celebrating her today. So let me tell you what's on the table. Head on over there, subscribe to her channel, and let her know that I sent you. All right, so I have some tulips that I purchased from Michael's. I also got these mini yellow roses that I decided to stick in this vase, which is a thrifted item. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So I got the florals from Michael's, and the runner was a gifted item. So if we come on over here, along with that gifted item, I got the buffalo checks, the napkins. The napkin rings did come from Party City. Let's take this apart. So this was a thrifted item. So my dinnerware was thrifted. And this, like I said, is thrifted as well. So these chargers did come from Hobby Lobby. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous, guys? And this is a placemat that I purchased in Pennsylvania before coming down here. I absolutely love it because I love the rosettes, and that's in gold. Then we have the utensils, which were from Aldi. So this is how I place my tablescape together. I absolutely love this pattern. I really do. And this one just happens to have sunflowers, which for me are perfect. Okay, so that's how I set up the tablescape. And then this plate here was also thrifted, guys, and I'm using it as a coaster. So here is the wine glass. And the wine glass came from Dollar Tree. And then I have the water glass, and that was a thrifted item. Now, let me tell you about this little setup right here. So this little accent floral greenery that came from Dollar General. What it's sitting on here was a DIY I made a long time ago. And also the vase was a DIY, two separate DIYs that I had released. And I hand put the gems on the vase, which is absolutely gorgeous, and it just happened to go very well with this piece right here. So I'm using it like a little tray. Then this was a thrifted item as well. I absolutely love it. And then the candle did come from the Dollar Tree. The florals, believe it or not, did come from the Dollar Tree as well. I absolutely love white roses, and the boxwood and the eucalyptus came from Walmart. So yes, the Dollar Tree was carrying long stem roses. You could either get them in white or red. I don't believe I saw pink, but I grabbed the white because that's my favorite. Then I moved my greenery piece here to this corner. I have my my love tree over there, which I think what I'm gonna do is just leave the florals and the hearts on that tree over there and just add Easter eggs and just kind of really just flood it over there with Easter stuff. I'm loving that. And then I have my back wall, which I just did yesterday. And so I do have some DIY pieces here. Well, this piece here is DIY'd. Okay, and I absolutely love that. I think it goes very well with this Harlequin pattern. And that's pretty much it as far as my table. I hope, Antoinette, I hope that you love this tablescape. And like I said, this here was a thrifted item. I never got to come on camera and let everybody see that. It is gorgeous. I cannot tell you how much I'm loving this pattern. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen. This is absolutely amazing. All right, guys. Antoinette, I hope you like my video. Amen.